Hey there, this is Jim with Veterans Cleaning Solutions. We're located in Enterprise, Alabama, and this goes out to all of the carpet cleaners that are out there, the master textile cleaners that are looking to grow their business but do not want to suffer with the frustrations that go along with taking a carpet cleaning company and moving it into the conflicting times and schedules of smoke and fire or water restoration. So instead of going vertically and getting a triple master through the IICRC, what we chose to do in our company was to bolt on soft washing. Soft washing is the chemical cleaning of an exterior's home, of home's exterior, home and office. And here I'm walking by one of our carpet cleaning vans. You're gonna see our second one here in just a second. You're gonna hear my neighbor cutting the grass here at the shop, but here at Veterans, we run two carpet cleaning vans. In the shop behind us, the two-bay shop, is our rug cleaning facility. Behind me here, we start moving over to our two-truck roof and exterior cleaning division. And what this allows us to do is use the same customer base as leverage. And so we're able to diversify by adding in soft washing. So a van, a typical van setup with a slide-in, extraction unit, an external extraction unit is going to be somewhere around $24,000 just for the extractor. Plus, when you add the vehicle, you may be set up around $70,000. But you can get a F250, F350 here, put in a $16,000 to $18,000 exterior package, or you can put it on a trailer and keep your vehicle for a prime mover for moving other things such as other trailers for your VCT, carpet cleaning, whatever you're going to use for moving rugs and things like that. But anyways, you got many different configurations here in which you can put these pieces of equipment together. This was a fantastic way for us to grow our company from struggling at about $250,000 a year to adding on the roof and exterior cleaning side. We're doing $750,000 this year, and we're in a market of 28,000 people. Every home and office that we pass is a target, okay, and it is a prospect, and we're able to convert our client list and double it. So we got 5,000 clients, we double that to 10,000, and we're cross-marketing both of these services to a high-end, high-quality clientele that deserves trusted, trained, educated companies with a great reputation and the best warranties in the business. We team up with SoftWash Systems because they really leverage and add to our companies. So I'd really like for you to give them some consideration. You're going to see them at the experience here in September. So come on out and take a look at what SoftWash Systems has to offer that could take your business to the next level. Jim here with Veterans Cleaning Solutions out of Enterprise, Alabama. Search us on the internet. You'll see more about us. Have a blessed day.